Hello children, today we are going to solve questions of exercise 5.1. So let's start with question number 1. Find the complement of each of the following angle. So in this question we have to find out the complement of these angles. So let's start with part 1. So in this we have to find the complement of 20 degree angle. So we already know that what is complementary angle. The complementary angles are two angles whose measure sum is 90 degree. Like 30 plus 60, the sum of both of this angle is 90 degree. So this is called a complementary angle. So the complementary angle measure sum is 90 degree. So here we find the complement of 20. So what we have to do, we just subtract 90 from 20 and we get 70. And for verifying your answer, you just add 70 plus 20 and then you get 90 degrees. So this is a right answer, that this is a complementary angle. So the second part of this question. So here we have to find out the complement of 63 degree angle. So we already know that the complementary angle is 90 degree. The sum of the complementary angle is 90 degree. So here we subtract 90 degree from 63 degree and we get 27 degree. And you know that for verifying your answer, you have to add 27 with 63. And if you get 90 degree, this means that your answer is right. So solve the third part of this question by yourself in your notebook, okay? Question number 2. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. So in this question we have to find the supplement of these angles. So the first part of this question is we have to find the supplement of 105 degree. So as you already know that what is supplementary angle, if the sum of two angle is 180 degree, then this is called supplementary angle. Like 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so this is called a supplementary angle. Like this angle, straight angle and measure of 90 degree. This is called supplementary angle. And now let's solve this supplement of 105 degree. So 180 minus 105 degree is equal to 75. So this is the supplement of 105 degree. And for verifying your answer, so you can add 75 degree with 105 degree. If you get 180 degree, this means that your answer is right. Okay. Now come to the third part of this question. This is the third part of this question. So here we have to find the supplement of 154 degree. So 180 minus 154 is equal to 26 degree. And you know that what you have to do for verifying your answer, just add 26 with 154 degree. If you get 180, this means that this answer is right. And solve second part of this question by yourself in your notebook, okay? Question number 3. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Okay, so in this question we have to find out by adding both of these angles that this is a complementary angle or a supplementary angle. So as you already know that what are complementary or what are supplementary angle. If sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angle. If sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angle. Okay, so let's solve first part of this question, 65 degree and 115 degree. So the answer is, by first what we have to do, we have to add both of this angle and the answer is 180 degree. This means that this is a supplementary angle. Okay, so second, 63 degree and 27 degree. Answer, 63 degree plus 27 degree is equal to 90 degree. This means that this is a complementary angle. Okay. Third, 112 degree and 68 degree. Let's solve this. So 112 degree plus 68 degree is equal to 180 degree. This means that this is a supplementary angle. Fourth part of this question, 130 degree and 50 degree. So the answer, so let's find out. 130 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. So this is a supplementary angle. So solve the other part of this question, okay, in your notebook. Question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. So in this question we have to find the complement which is equal to that. Okay, so let's start. Let one of the two equal complementary angles be x. So x plus x is equal to 90 degree. As you already know that complementary angle is 90 degree. The sum of two complementary angle is 90 degree. Okay, so 2x is equal to 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 upon 2 is 45. Thus 45 is equal to its complement. Okay. Question number 5. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. In this we have to find the angle which is equal to its supplement. So let's start. Let x be two equal angle of its supplement. So you already know that supplementary angle is 180 degree. Now x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 2x. Okay, so 2x is equal to 180 degree. X 180 degree upon 2, and what we get, 90 degree. Thus 90 is equal to its supplement. Okay. Question number 6. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes should we place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? So you know that this, if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then this is called a supplementary angle. So they are the two angles like 1 and 2. So the answer is that if angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 will increase. Okay, if this angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 will increase. Okay, with the same measure, so that both the angle still remain supplementary. Question number 7. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are? So the first part of this question is if both of them are acute angle. So the answer is that no, because sum of two acute angle is less than 180 degree. Then you already know that the sum of two acute angle is less than 180 degree. So this is not possible that the two acute angle is supplementary angle. Okay. Now the second part is that obtuse angle. So the answer is no, because sum of two obtuse angle is more than 180 degree. So this is not possible. Okay. So what about right angle? Yes, so right angle, because sum of two right angle is 180 degree, like 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. This means that yes, because the sum of two right angle is 180 degree. Question number 8. An angle is greater than 45. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45? So this question says that if an angle is greater than 45, okay, so its complementary angle is greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45. This we have to find. Okay. So I'm solving this question by two methods, and this is the first method. Let's solve. Let the complementary angle be x and y, that is x plus y is equal to 90 degree. It is given that x is greater than 45 degree. Adding y both side to this. Okay. So x plus y greater than 45 degree plus y, and 90 degree is greater than 45 degree plus y. 90 degree minus 45 degree greater than y. So y is less than 45 degree. Thus its complementary angle is less than 45 degree. Okay. So this is the first method and this is the second method. So here I am taking one angle B 50 degree. So let the angle be 50 degree and let the complementary of 50 degree be x. So another be x. So the first one angle is 50 and another is x. So 50 plus x is equal to 90 degree, as you know that the sum of complementary angle is 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 minus 50. So 90 minus 50 is 40 degree. So x is equal to 40 degree. Hence the complementary angle is less than 45 degree. Okay.